Here's my sponge diagram. I'm gonna go ahead and show you an overview right here. You focus in. There you go. And I'm gonna keep it right down here, just for your best entrance because I cannot keep it steady. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. The sponge has two layers, making dipole plastic, and it has a central cavity called a spongosole, which is right here. And the way it digests food is these pores right here called the inhalant pores, and the water is pushed through here, and then these these things right here, sorry, the green things, which is called the conocyte, and it's got a collar cell and then kind of like a little tail thing called a flagellum, and the flagellum beats to create a like an active pumping of the water through the sponge, while the collar cell just absorbs the tiny food particles and then is transferred to this blue thing right here, which is called the amoebocyte. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Which digests the food, and then it spreads to the rest of the organisms, or the cell, excuse me, and that's how it gets its nutrients. And same thing, or vice versa, for the oxygen. It traps the oxygen, and then waste comes out through the spongiosole, and then osculum, and out through here. Kind of like that Jonathan Bird thing where he puts the dye, pumps, and then it goes out. Kind of neat little thing. And then the way it reproduces, and it's reduced two ways: asexually and sexually. Asexually just regenerates, and then sexually you have to have obviously a male and a female, and it fuses by gametes, which gametes is sex cell, which we should know by now, like you said. And the sex cell is transformed from, well, the sperm, excuse me, is transformed from the conocytes, and then is released into the water, and travels the fine, beautiful female or sex cell, excuse me, and then fuses, and then makes a zygote, and then settles down and makes a beautiful sponge, and that's all it is.